We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian dolce vita. Venite con noi. Living a Mediterranean lifestyle is something we never take for granted, but we are still amazed when we find new beautiful places. So join us in visiting one of them. We are in...
a place called Scicli.
And so far it's...
in English, Skilly.
And we're gonna go see a beautiful church up at the top called La Chiesa di San Matteo. Okay, story of our lives. We're going up a series of steep steps. So again, if you do come to see this beautiful church, not only because it's on, oh my goodness, look at that. Stunning. Wear comfortable shoes. Still a bit further up to go. Morning exercise. That's where we've come. Can't stop staring at this view. Stunning.
Amazing.
Let's go up more. More steps.
Where people lived
Yeah, it's crazy.
many years.
Wow. Wow, it's beautiful. Now that is a high street. A high street with a view. All these beautiful little roofs, all the old tegole, the tile roofs. This church is enormous. Pity it's closed. Let's go and have a look. Wow, it's absolutely beautiful.
Crazy.
Okay, beautiful church, amazing view. Unfortunately, the church is closed, obviously for restoration. I don't know, fixing it all up. Yeah, we're going to walk down and around the church and see if we can find something else. But yeah, well worth it. A bit of a hike up. We watched a documentary yesterday about the people that used to live in these caves above Scicli long time ago. And
It's mostly the people that were very poor.
yes,
So it was the poorer population of Scicli. It's called Shafura.
Shafura, yeah.
Shafura, which means the people outside, the outside.
Yeah. Yeah.
Chiafura, chiafura.
Chiafura, chiafura.
Chi sta fuori?
Chi sta fuori, which means
Who is on the outside?
who is on the outside, which is really interesting. And so they would live in all these rock formations, like in the rocks, basically, in the caves.
Caves,
Yeah.
yeah. And then they built all the streets out of the dry walls, so you
Yeah.
can see a lot of the dry walls have been formed. Look at where the walls were built inside there. Crazy.
Mm-hmm. This place is incredible, eh?
Yeah.
So it's an example of one of these little
So they
dwellings.
put a catwalk. This is the catwalk.
The caveman catwalk.
Caveman catwalk. Yeah, oba oba.
So here's the back of St. Matteo Church. at all those divisions there with the arches. Beautiful.
Yeah, I want to show you something. See here, all the stones built underneath.
Yeah.
This on the side is cement that's been put there, but
On
that
top.
is
This is
the
the
actual
original.
road.
Yeah.
So the road was made from cobblestones,
Yeah.
but they've cemented
They've
this
cemented it on top, which is a shame. And here you can see, look, the steps are covered by all the vegetation that obviously leads all the way up.
Kia ora.
Right, we've climbed all the way up to the top,
And I'm the king of the castle.
above this old dilapidated house, right above the church. Well, actually that road continues over there. We'll have to go on an adventure. And Massey's on the edge of the world.
Among the valleys of Scigli, hidden behind the houses that are perched on the St. Matteo Hills, is a neighborhood entirely dug out of the mountain. The Chiafura neighborhood is made up of hundreds of cave houses that were lived in until the 60s. Originally, it was a necropoli or a cemetery, which was later transformed into a neighborhood. In these cave houses, people lived together with their donkeys, sheep, pigs and goats. The conditions were very unhygienic, and the people from Scigli started to complain and say it was a national embarrassment. So in the 1960s, they started to move everyone out and promised them council houses. Now it is an archaeological site and it is only visited with a tour guide. Scigli is a picturesque town with a Baroque style. It has a wonderful cultural heritage with beautiful aristocratic palazzi and lots of ancient churches. On every corner there is a charming cobble street alleyway and an infinite amount of Sicilian Baroque stonework.
We're on our way to see Montalbano's police station.
So ask him if you can take away my headache.
If you are a fan of the famous detective series Inspector Montalbano, then Via Mormino Penna Street is just for you. There you can visit the fictional police station from the series, and tickets are only €3 per person. No filming is allowed, only photos.
We've decided to come and sit right in front of Montalbano's police station and have some lunch.
Maybe get arrested.
Hopefully not. We met a really nice guy, didn't we? He was like our photographer. Yeah, so basically we were not allowed to film inside the police station for copyright reasons, but we're allowed to take lots of photos. So go figure that. I don't know, that is a bit weird. Look at this place. That's like your workshop at home.
It's a bit worse. It's pretty cool.
So we're gonna go try and look for this Grotte di Shafura, which I think we sort of saw it from the top. But let's go on an adventure. Yep, unfortunately it's closed. It opens up in about an hour and a half, and we don't have the time because I work this afternoon, early evening, which is a shame, but the area is beautiful. Ooh, that looks amazing. Pistachio and ricotta cannolo divided in two. I like the way she did that. Very nice. Okay, we're going to dedicate this to our friends Miomor and Karina. They told us to come here.
Nice.
Very nice. Thank you.
Right, so interesting fact. You can taste the difference in the way the biscuit of the cannolo is made. This is very fresh. This has just been made. You can taste it.
Wow, it's wonderful, isn't
So it's
it?
not those. Normally, cannolo, the biscuit, the round biscuit, is made and it's kept for a long time.
Yeah.
But this is made at the moment. You can actually taste the difference.
We have destroyed it, but we had to do that to eat it.
And I was speaking to the lady inside. Apparently they send a lot of their products all around Europe, and as we walked in we noticed all the big boxes.
Yeah, ready to be.
So they send everything out. Nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, they do a lot of sending out. So
Export, yeah.
yeah, you can look it up on the internet, obviously.
Tiny little place,
Get them to send something to you.
but well worth it. Thank you, friends from Sweden who gave us this recommendation.
We highly recommend this place. It is an absolute must, but we just did not have enough time to see everything. I think probably 3 or 4 days here would be just the right amount, especially if you're keen hikers like we are. We only managed to climb up one side of the valley, and there were so many beautiful sides and so many beautiful churches on the opposite side that we did want to go and visit, but just time did not allow us. So do come and visit this place.
So this is what grew in. Did you throw your knife away? So these came from our garden. Nice big piece of fennel and 2 bunches of chicory leaves, our favorite. And then we also picked some potatoes actually. So here is the pick of the day. 2 bunches of chicory leaves, nice little thingy of fennel, drying out my bay leaves from the other day, and these are the potatoes. We'll figure something out for dinner tonight with these things. Okay, so Massimo and I are not drinkers, but when people come over on holiday, they like to buy vodka. I mean, we have a bottle which has not been opened. So I am going to make some limoncello, because I discovered that when I make limoncello with vodka and not pure alcohol, like the recipe says, it tastes so much better. It's not as strong and it just tastes, I just like that taste. So I save the vodka bottles when people come over, and yeah, I'm gonna make the limoncello. Well, I'm gonna start making it anyway. Okay, so I've put my lemon peels in vodka. I'm going to put a good lid on it, and I'm going to store it in a dark place, and every now and then I'm going to mix it. I'm going to check on it. This needs to stay at least 20 days, so hopefully it'll be ready just before Christmas or when we get back from Rome, and then I'll show you the remaining procedure. I want to make some orange decorations for Christmas, and because my sister's orange orchard is beautifully full and ready to be picked, and if I don't pick them, they will just fall and rot, and it's a bit of a shame. So I'm going to pick some oranges and do some decorations, and I don't know, I might even make some orange jam. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so while I'm waiting for those oranges to bake in the oven, the smell is amazing. I am going to go and look for a little bit of heather. I don't know if we have any, but I'm going to go around my garden, around my sister's garden, because I've got a little wreath that I'd like to decorate with the pine cones that we picked up from North Antica. And from here you can see our house, our villa. And we do have a gate between mine and my sister's property. Sorry, someone's cutting wood over there. Oh, I have to show you the mountains from here. Beautiful. Massey's got his radio on while he works. And then this is all my sister and my brother-in-law's property, which is beautiful. Okay, that looks sweet. It's just like a little entry wreath as you walk in. And then I think with the remaining of these, I'm just going to tie them on a string and hang them somewhere.
Cold, and the wall's nearly done. So a few more, one more brick up, and then I'm done.
Amazing, look at that. Okay, so as you can see here, these containers, water pumps, containers, whatever you want to call them, are going to go behind the wall. We're going to put a nice cute little roof like over here where we keep the logs, and obviously this is all going to be nicely painted, whatever, plastered. Whew, can't wait to get rid of all this rubble.
Every 8th of December, our local town, Floridia, celebrates their patron saint, Maria Santissima Immacolata. It is a beautiful scene to see, and the fireworks are absolutely incredible.
We caught that just in time, didn't we?
We're quite lucky, we remembered it.
We remembered at the last moment that it was the patron saint of our little town, Floridia.
Yeah.
And the saint is Maria Immacolata.
Maria.
Nice. And literally got back at like 10 to 12, and she came out at 12 o'clock.
Yeah, but quite in time, to be honest.
And we always love the fireworks, they're incredible here in Floridia.
So I'm just going to leave you with some beautiful photos that we took in Scicli and the scenes of the church in Floridia. Have a wonderful week. We are so grateful to live this beautiful Mediterranean life. It's not always perfect, but it's perfect in our eyes. Ciao a tutti.